Hi everyone, welcome to Data Appreciation with Shino, and we'll be looking at a Google Skills lab for exploring and creating reports with Looker Studio. This is Google Cloud Self-Placed Lab GSP409. So Looker Studio turns our data into informative dashboards and reports that are easy to read, easy to share, and fully customizable. Dashboarding allows us to tell great data stories to support better business decisions. Now, remember, BigQuery is Google's fully managed, NoOps, low cost analytics database. With BigQuery, we can query terabytes and terabytes of data without having any infrastructure to manage or needing a database administrator. BigQuery uses SQL as SQL and can take advantage of the pay as you go model. BigQuery allows you to focus on analyzing data to find meaningful insights. The dataset used in this lab is an e-commerce dataset that has millions of Google Analytics records for the Google Merchandise store that's loaded into BigQuery. We'll explore the available fields and rows of the dataset for insights. Now, what we'll learn from this lab, we're going to learn how to launch Looker Studio, how to create customized reports, and how to create an interactive filter for our reports. So before we click the Start Lab button, remember the Start Lab button gives us the cloud environment, and it also gives us temporary credentials and resources. We're going to use the incognito or private window to run our lab, and once we end it, we would have finished it before our timer runs out. So first task is to launch Looker Studio and create a blank report. So we can open Looker Studio in a new browser tab or window to make sure we're logged in using the username provided in the connection details. So let us start our lab. And remember, we're going to log in using the username and password, temporary username and password that will given to us on this section. So we can see our username and our password and our project ID. So we're going to open in incognito. We're about to use our username and our password. Let's go. Let's let's open it in a new tab. Let's see. Okay, so we've opened this in a new tab. Let's sign in username, giving username and our password. Remember, these are temporary credentials. Okay, save understand. So we're signed in on it. So let's close this window. So next, we would on the home page, you're going to click on the blank report template. Select country, enter company name. So create report. Like the country name. From here, I'll be selecting Nigeria. Company, I'll use Collab Innovation Hub. You know, and I agree to the terms. I'm gonna click on continue. So when you sign up for emails, so knowledge we've accepted. So from here, yes, yes, continue. Also remember that Lucas Studio is now called Data Studio. So 1 second. So click the blank report template again from the home page. A new untitled report opens, will be on the Connect to Data tab. The Connect to Data tab, click on BigQuery. So I think we're there already. So click on BigQuery. Next, we would click on Authorize for authorization. It allows Lucas Studio to access our Google Cloud project. So let's define our project. Authorize. Remember, we should have resources allocated on Google Cloud for this. You can see the project here. So under my project, you can see the project that begins with Quick Labs. For the shared project name, we type data to insights. Let's say we have data, right? Table. Click on shared project. So I think we're on the wrong place. So shared project ID. Sorry, shared projects. After this. Yes. Enter the project ID. Project ID is found in lab details. Project ID. Is this? That's for project ID. Yes, our full project ID right here. So let's go back. Search our data sets to insights. Data sets.